Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add open to work on your LinkedIn profile. So first of all, open up the app. Now once you're in the app, click on your profile picture at the top left. Now once you're here, click on view profile right here. Now after that, you will be at your profile section. Now in here, click on open to right here. And in here, click on finding a new job or providing services. I'll go for finding a new job. Now in here, select every option that is required, and after you're done so, just simply scroll down and select all LinkedIn members so that more people can reach out to you for work. And after that, click on save. And after that, this section will show up saying open to work, and an open to work text would also be added to your profile picture right here. So that is how you can add open to work in your LinkedIn profile.
Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add open to work to your LinkedIn profile. Now once you're at the home page of LinkedIn, click on me right here. Now in here, click on view profile. Now once you're at the profile section, click on open to right here. Now in here, scroll down and either go for finding a job or providing services. I'll go for finding a new job, click on it. Now after that, this pop will show up. Now in here, select all the required options. Now after you selected all the options, just simply scroll down and in here select all LinkedIn members, and after that click on save. And after that, this pop-up will show up saying open to work, and your profile picture would also have an open to work text on it. So that is how you can add open to work on your LinkedIn profile.